This is the ROES tutorial for ordering package books with Richmond ProLab. For more information on package books, please visit our website. You can order the package books on the fly, or you can create favorites of your offering in ROES. In this video, I will show you how to create your package books as favorites, how to order them via drag and drop, and how to order them in events. First, start in the package books catalog in ROES. Details for the product, ordering, and guidelines can be found on the information tabs. There are two different types of package books. The Packaged Individually tab is for books that need to be packaged in portrait envelopes and have a higher price. The Unpackaged tab contains books that will be sold in a stack. They will be sent back to you in the sequence in which they appear in the shopping cart and will not be packaged in portrait envelopes, and they're a bit less expensive. Let's start building some favorites. Select a package book to start. I'm going to start with the 2-unit book. That is, a cover and a back cover and 2 pages in between. Select the book product so it appears in the center of the product screen. On the options panel, you will designate the page style for each page of the book. For the cover style, you can select an installed magazine cover or choose no template if there should not be a template on the cover. The second tab for magazine accent color is only available for templates like the shattered magazine cover. For the inside cover, you can choose to leave it as a blank page or have a full bleed spread or add page. For the interior units, like page 1 and page 2, select the unit layout to be used from the list below. I'm going to select 8x10 for page 1 and 2 5x7 for page 2. The back of each unit page will be printed with a copyright stamp. Hover over the products in the center to see how they'll look. The back cover works the same as the front cover. You can choose to leave the back and side cover blank, or you can have a full bleed spread or add page. Once all of the options are selected, click on the heart with the green plus to save the product as a new favorite. I'm going to create a new tab for my package book products. Type in a name and hit enter. Type in the name of the favorite and hit enter to save. Now let's build a 4-unit package book in the same fashion. Select a cover template and accent color. Select the interior unit options for each page. Save the product as a new favorite. Continue building your package book favorites for the various units and options offered. Click on the Favorites button to show the favorites you have saved. Find the package book favorite item and select it. Select an image and drag it into each image node on the selected product. Adjust the crop as necessary, and click Add to Order when you're done. Continue ordering each package book in this fashion. Click on the Events button at the top right of the screen to display the Events homepage. For more information on this, please review the ROES Events tutorial on our YouTube channel or tutorial video section of our website. I've already imported a data file and associated the subject images. In this data file, I've also added front and back inside cover add pages, so I'll need to associate those images to my data file. Select the row, right-click, and select Match Images, then use thumbnails. Continue to do this for other image rows. The first time a product is ordered in events, the data fields from the CSV need to be associated to the product nodes. Click on Associate Fields in the lower right corner to associate the fields to the products. On this new page, the packages are shown at the top and the fields from the CSV are listed in the bottom. Associate the appropriate fields from the CSV by selecting the field and dragging it onto the image node. My subject images are under the file name column, so I'm selecting file name and dragging it onto each image node. For the multi-node products like the 2 5x7 and 8 wallet, drag the file name onto the node labeled with a 1. You do not need to associate the field to each of the nodes within the product for multi-node products that use the same image. Now I'm going to associate my add images to the inside cover and back inside cover, and also the back cover to my product. Continue associating appropriate image and text fields with the corresponding nodes for the rest of your product packages. Once complete, click the Back to Subject Info button. Make sure the Packages row is associated and that the row displays as green. Click Start Review to review the order. We always suggest selecting Hold Crop, especially if your images are pre-cropped or shot consistently. Now review each subject record's order. Rotate and crop images as necessary and move on through the order. Select the next subject arrow to move on to the next subject. Once you've reached the end of the review, select Add Items to Order to add items to the cart. In the Shopping Cart section, double-check the crop and package quantities for your ordered items. You'll notice there's a copyright page that comes after each of the unit prints. This is what prints on the back of the unit pages. Once everything is verified, choose the packaging option if you're ordering the packaged product, or select No Packaging if ordering the unpackaged product. Add an internal order ID for easy referencing for your company. The order ID will display in your order confirmation email, print on the receipt, and show on your online order history. If necessary, enter any special instructions for the lab. Customer service will always review your order instructions. Once your order is ready, click Complete and Send Order. Once the order is received, you will receive a confirmation email from the lab. This concludes the tutorial video for package book ordering. Please let customer service know if you have any questions. Thanks!